hotter and cold milkshakes colder for much longer than ordinary glass or plastic bottles. The vacuum flask, also known as a thermos, was invented in 1892 by Sir James Dewar, a Scottish physicist and chemist. But what about transportation and storage of medical, pharmaceuticals, fresh and frozen food, logistics, fresh food at catering events, agriculture products, and food delivery services? Introducing Vacuum Insulated Bag-or-Box (VIBB), which is fundamentally an application of Flexible Vacuum Insulation Panel (VIP), the next generation vacuum insulation solution for temperature sensitive transport and storage in medical, food agriculture, and chemical logistics and services. All dimensions, sizes, and shapes are customizable to your requirement. However, standard dimensions and sizes are uh, medical box, deep cold box, rolling card cover, and fresh bag. It is engineered to maintain the internal temperature, either cold or hot, of the contained materials without the need for ice, refrigeration, or electricity for extended period of time.